Hey guys, the recent episode of Bottle Art was about the tutorial video of this beautiful set of 3 bottles which is perfect for home decor. If you haven't seen it yet, then I'll provide the link in the description box and in I button here. And in that video, I asked you if you want a tutorial video of that particular jute flower, and guess what? I got a lot of messages on Instagram and even in the comment section of YouTube. So I'm here with the tutorial video of this beautiful jute flower. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. So guys, our jute flower is ready, and see, it's exactly looking like this, which is worth rupees almost 80. So guys, try this and share your creations with me on my Instagram profile. And if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon so that you will get notifications whenever I will upload any video. So see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.